Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over circle equations. And this is not to be confused with what circle functions are, which are completely different because circles cannot be functions. I will soon make a video about functions and you will learn that this does not pass the vertical line test, which is why circles are not functions. Alright, anyways, let's think of a circle with radius r, that's the radius, and center h comma k. So h is the x value of the center, k is the y value of the center. Now how about let's try and plot this over here. So let's label the x-axis as h, okay, and let's label the y-axis as k. And why not plot the center? Now the radius, it's going to be r in length. Actually, just to make it easier, let me do it like this. Radius equals r. Now, let's go r out away from the center. Let's say this distance right here is r. Now, simply draw a circle. There you go. Now you have the equation for the circle with radius r and center h comma k. Sorry, not equation. You've plotted it. But this is not very useful because you have to find the equation in most cases. Because mathematics is not always about graphs. It's about solving. And in many cases, there's algebra involved with circles, which you will find in many exams. Anyways, for a circle with radius r and center h comma k, the equation will be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay. Now, straight away, let's think about what happens when we manipulate each of these numbers. Say we change the h value, we change the k value. Okay. Now, what you guys need to know is as the h value increases, so upward arrow for increase, the circle, oops, I should probably turn off ink to shape, my bad guys. The circle shifts to the right. Also, something that's important to know is as the k value increases, the circle shifts up. That's easier, I guess. Okay. Now, that's pretty much the basics of circular functions. Now, I'll give you guys some problems, so try to sketch these graphs, okay? At home, or you can just pause the video. First one is x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 36. Second one, x minus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 49. Now, let's think about how we can solve or derive circular functions. Okay. Now, what I mean by this is for basically for a circle, finding equation in this form right here, in this form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Now, in order to find that, first you have to identify that these are both squares, and so is this. So if you want to find this, what you will have to do is complete the square. Complete the square. Completing the square, you can find out the equation in the x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared form. Now, why is this useful? This is useful because, as I previously mentioned, all these points fit geometrically. What I mean by that is the h is the x value of the center, and k is the y value of the center, and r is the radius. So if we have an equation in this form, we can just plot it easily. Anyways, that's going to wrap it up for the video. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. I'm starting back the channel. I want to help you guys out with maths, because I see that many people in this world are struggling with mathematics, and I'm trying to help you guys. Again, I may stutter a bit. I'm sorry about that. I'll get better as I go. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you want to learn, because I'm pretty sure I can help you with that. Thank you guys. Have a good one.